Hi, my name is Anjini and I'm a junior at St. Francis High School, Mountain View. I took the Excel test SAT prep course, and I got a perfect 2400 score on the January 2015 exam. Excel really is an awesome way to prep for the SAT, so I would highly recommend it to all my friends. And I mean this because I think that Excel not only helped me polish sort of the SAT skills and finesse required, but through test taking and retest taking, it more importantly helped me build up the confidence and perseverance needed for the SAT. And these two things were really, really valuable to me on test day. I was surprised and I was really happy. And I told my mom, because we were the only two awake at the time when I had to go to school. And yeah, so it was a great day and a great rest of the weekend for me. Like I said before, it's all about practicing like you play. So I really take advantage of the resources Excel offers, such as Exam Club, where you can go in and take practice tests as little or as many as you like. And I think really try to pretend each of those tests is your real SAT. And you will show improvement if you take each test as your real SAT. And because of that, you just end up feeling so good about yourself and your abilities on test day, you don't need to worry about the rest. So definitely just be confident on test day, and I'm sure you'll do great.